Okay, so the pink. Make sure we get plenty of ink on there. I think I already had tried to ink that one. Helps if I'm inking the right direction. There we go. It's beautiful. My favorite part of this paper, I think this is the bird cage is actually my favorite part. Not 100% sure, but pretty sure. It's just a fun interactive element that I designed, but that's not why. I just think it's so much fun. It's just different. I almost felt like I should create more of the sparkle butterflies to go on the page to kind of pull everything together, but I tried laying a few of them on there and they just didn't look quite the same. Trying to kind of put these in piles, I guess, so it's easier when I adhere them. I'm going to have ink all over my hands again. When am I not walking around without ink on my hands, though, for real? Just trying to make this as easy as possible for myself. And yeah, I don't know. Okay. I think the next page is going to be maybe the hardest page to do because it's also interactive, but I've got to basically create a closure from scratch, and I have an idea in my head of how to do it. I just don't know if I'm going to be able to create it so it's strong enough to stay. There's two of those. Oh, this one goes here. Oh, I just got an itch on my back. I have a... There we go. Okay, all right. Well, I'm going to stop this here because it seems like a good breaking point, and then I will be back in just a minute. Okay, so now I've got all those pieces inked. I'm just going to carefully adhere that. And that goes there. This goes here. Try to give it a little bit of dimension. There we go. So this is going to be this page. So you can swivel it this way. Oops. There it is. Sorry if my head was in the way, guys. Okay, oops. Takes a little more time to get that adhered. Actually, I probably just needed a little bit of pressure on it. Oh, it's so pretty. I love it. Okay, so now I'm going to glue down this part. There we go. Put that right there. Gonna press it all down. Press it all down. So when it's up, you can, oops. Uh-oh. Okay, so far the magnet is still working, but I know that it won't. So when you open it up like that, it's right there. But this needs to be stuck down. And this is not sticking. I want it to stick because the gold okay. All right. We're just going to let that sit. But I'm very happy with the way this looks. Very happy. Okay. Now, whoops, let's get the rest. Oops. I forgot. It didn't punch. Or the die cut didn't cut in the top because I just had it cut the base or the the outline. Okay. punch these holes. Apparently, I might need a new punch. Because it is not doing a good job. I mean, it punches through, but there's the hole that's left. Okay. So these are all punched. So now, oh Lord, sorry. Okay. This actually goes over here. So now I'm going to go ahead and together. Give them a nice squish so that it's flat and I can put the, what do you call it? You know what I'm saying. The gem on top. Squish. So there we go. Okay. Sorry I'm being so quiet, guys. Guess I was just focusing on getting this right. I swear he knows when I look at him, because every time I look at him, his little eyeballs pop open. Truly's in the other room, I think, hanging out with her dad. There we go. Alright, so there is, I'm going to make sure that there we go. Okay. Alright, so now I'm gonna grab like this stack. some adhesive right there. This one. Like that. Just like that. Okay. Okay, let's try and even this out. So as I'm setting it down, it's even. Okay. There we go. Whoops, I do not want glue there. That would not be good. Okay. All right. This to be right about there. Okay. Okay, not on that one. I am glad that I'm doing every other one because of the different colored pinks in there. Then I hope. Go. Oopsies. And this one. And that one. Okay. Right. Curl this up just a little bit. There we go. Page number 2. There we go. Let's get the page right there. Go. I really have nothing to talk about. I should just play some music right now. Because there's a lot of silence going on. I don't know why this seems to take more concentration than the other pages did. It really doesn't. dark pink, light pink, dark pink, light pink, not on myself. And dark pink. There's that. This goes here, like so. This goes here. Like that. This goes there. Like that. Yep. I'm so happy with this page. Okay. Hi, Blakey Boo. Halfway done. Ugh, I need a drink though. The problem with drinking carbonated beverages is sometimes it gives you the burps. Let's see. Right. I do feel kind of weird that there's no bird. Well, there's a tiny little bird right here, but there's no like bird or anything like that. Oh. So that reminds me. Over at Jack's mom's house, there is a bird that built a nest in one of the hanging baskets, you know, like those hanging flower baskets that you can buy at, you know, like Lowe's or Home Depot or Kmart or Walmart or, you know, any garden store with the fuchsias and stuff like that in it. So this mama bird built her nest in one of those baskets, and she laid her eggs in there, and there are 3 little baby birds in there. And the mama, it's like right next to the front door, so it's like, oh boy. But she chirps and chirps and chirps every time someone goes by, to be, you know, but there's 3 little baby birds in there, and so it's hard to obviously water because you don't want to like you don't want to like drown those little babies. But the mama was actually smart and she built the nest up. So there's the dirt. So there's the dirt, and then she built the nest up. So there's like this much. So like say here's the dirt, and then she built up, and then she built the nest on top of that. So she was, apparently she knew that she needed to build up, because otherwise those birdies would definitely have been wet. And unfortunately, probably wouldn't have made it. They would be drowned. Because, yeah. But one of the things that happened is Jack's brother, who does the watering of the plants, he always watered from the opposite side where the nest was. So she didn't build the nest like directly in the center of the pot. She kind of built it off to one side. So again, smart mama birdie. Okay. There's that. Just trying to lay these so I don't disturb the one here, because that would not be fun to knock that off. Okay. Whew. It is warm in here right now. There we go. Yeah, so, so that story took all of 35 seconds to tell. And they're out back fighting. So, hang on one second. Okay, so that's fun. And that's why they have to come in. That's why they can't just have the back door open. I loved having the back door open for them, but they can't be trusted to not fight with the neighbor dog. Blake will come when he's called. Truly, on the other hand, there's a reason why we call her the Truly Badger. Because she don't really care. She doesn't really care. Wrong one. All right, got one more to go. And okay, babe, I'll see you later. Then I really do have to stop and get ready. Hey, babe. Jack. Yeah. While you're there, will you get the big bowl Thanks. Love you. Bye. Now, I have a really huge silver mixing bowl, but, oops, sorry, I did most of that out of frame. I have a really big mixing bowl that I do my ramen salad in, but hers is even bigger. It makes mine look like a little baby. It's like, I can't even show you how big it is. It's like, oh my gosh, it's huge. It's it's amazing. It's like cooking for an army. I guess when you have, you know, 5 boys that, you know, you cook for, you know, you do that. I know she doesn't have all, you know, all 5 of them at home, but I guess there's just certain things that she's, you know, kept over the years, and it's awesome because, you know, when you're doing a family get together and you gotta make a big batch of something, she's still got the cookware to do it. She also has a lot more storage room than I do. But yeah, that big silver mixing bowl is awesome. I will tell you what. Oh, here come the fireworks. So press it down, press it down. Hi, Blakers. Hi, Trudy. Were you fighting with the neighbors? You want to come up here? You want to come up? Yeah, you want to see everyone? You want to show them how tough you are? Yeah. Did that boom just kind of scare you? Is that why you're here? Yeah. Is that why you're here now? You mad? Mommy's almost done filming. Yeah, we're almost done. Well, not almost done with the whole thing, but almost done with this. Okay. Alright, you go over there. Mommy will finish up. And then we can hang out. Daddy just went to Grandma's. Yeah. She's like sitting behind me now. Get these. Oh, there we go. So pretty. Ah, I'm just so happy. I cannot even. I'm sure you guys can understand. I've said it about 1,000,000 times now that it is so pretty. And I just think it's just fabulous. There. Okay. And the magnet is still working. Not for long. Oops. Okay. All right. So I'm going to put those right there. Let those dry for little bit, and let's go ahead. What's the matter, baby? Ooh, was I moving too much for you? Okay, so I'm going to stop this here. I'm going to get set up for the next page. The next page is going to be my interactive waterfall. Haven't quite decided how I'm going to embellish it. I have to work on the closure to keep the page closed because it is going to be chunky. So I'll see you guys back in a little bit